Welcome to cybersecurity. In this video, we're gonna learn how to configure shared folder between Linux virtual machine and the host. I personally use it to share my automation scripts, to install VS-Bound and many other tools to create an efficient, practical, and performance-focused environment for security testing tasks. So let's start the machine. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna list the modules that we have installed in the machine that are related with VirtualBox. Then we're gonna list the groups that our current user belong to. And then we're gonna have to shut down the machine. On the host, VirtualBox, we're gonna go to Share Folders, create a new share folder. In the folder path, select the folder you would like to share, and then I do a read only for security reasons. If you need to share any file, you can untick that, and then once you finish, I recommend to do it again, or either just delete the share folder between the host and the guest machine. So now that we have auto-mount the share folder, if we list again all of them VirtualBox modules, we can see that we have a VirtualBox SF share folders. And as we know, for the listing of the groups that we did before, we don't belong to any of those groups. Then we move to the media directory, and as we can see, it appears the shared folder. It's owned by root, and it's on the group VirtualBox SF. We're listing the groups again for the current user, and as we can see, we don't belong to it. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add this user to the VirtualBox SF group. For that, we use sudo usermod -a capital G VBox SF *6. Remember, Linux is case sensitive. If you do groups again, as you can see, no changes has been made. We have to reboot the machine for the changes to be applied. So now we list the groups the Soul6 belongs to. And now we can see there we belong to the VirtualBox Shared Folder group. So if we move to the media directory and we change to that directory, as we can see, we can get in without any issues, and we can list files. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. See you on the next video. Please like and follow.